Here's a jury duty trivia question. Let's see if you can answer this. Can an attorney in New York get selected to serve as a juror in a civil lawsuit here in the state? You want to know the answer? Come join me for a moment as I share with you the answer to this trivia question. Hi, I'm Gerry Oginski. I'm a New York medical malpractice and personal injury attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The answer is yes. Attorneys can get picked, attorneys can get selected to serve as jurors in these types of civil lawsuits. Let's say it's a medical malpractice case. And now, what do you think the likelihood is that a defense attorney is going to want to select me as a juror on their case? Someone who handles and represents the injured victims in medical malpractice cases, someone who represents people who are injured because of careless drivers. Do you think for a second that a defense lawyer representing a doctor or a hospital is ever going to want to have me on a jury? The answer is absolutely not. You want to know why? For two primary reasons. Number one, he's going to think that I'm going to be the leader during the course of jury deliberations, that everybody will look to me for answers about the law, will look to me about questions about how the case proceeds, will look to me for answers that they can't ask the judge, that they can't ask the defense attorney, they can't ask the plaintiff's attorney. The defense lawyer is in all likelihood going to think that because I represent injured victims and injured patients all the time, and my goal is to try and obtain as much compensation as possible for those victims, that he's naturally going to believe that I'm going to try and do the same thing in his case. So to answer the original question, can attorneys serve as jurors in these civil lawsuits? The answer is yes, they can. But the likelihood of an attorney picking an attorney who handles the same type of case is going to be extremely, extremely low. So why do I share this quick information with you? I share it with you just to give you an insight and an understanding of what goes on behind the scenes during jury selection in these civil lawsuits involving accidents and medical malpractice and wrongful death cases. And you know, I realize you're watching this because you probably have questions or concerns about your own particular matter. Well, if your matter did happen here in New York and you're thinking about bringing a lawsuit, but you've got legal questions that you need answered, what I invite you to do is pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. You know, this is something I do every single day, and I'd love to chat with you. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at Gerry, Gerry, at oginski-law.com. That's it for today's video. I'm Gerry Oginski. Have a wonderful day.